Hello everyone, welcome yesterday in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, December the 1st, 2021. We have here three regular Sudokus. The first one is a binary, second one a medium Sudoku, the third one is a killer Sudoku. So three regular Sudokus, and in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 6 extra Sudokus, and half of them I will solve. But first we will solve these three regular Sudokus. And the news, the daily news, the news of today, yes, the news of today. Also sad news because the booster shots, the booster shots, we are too late for giving the people booster shots in the Netherlands, because all the other countries are already started a few weeks ago with giving the people booster shots, but now they are giving the booster shots, and I don't know if we are too late, because the code black is near. Yes, is so I do not know what to say, but the government here are too late with giving the people booster shots. Anyway, let me continue with these three puzzles. Puzzle number 1, binary number 3761. All right. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5, not 4, but 5 O's and 5 1's. Last time I've mentioned this wrong, so I repeat it again. 5 1's and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then between two O's comes an 1. Yeah. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this row. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Let me see, where's the opening? The opening. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Then let me see. Think. Yeah. Where's the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So these 2 boxes should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So this is number 5. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, and I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So this is number 5. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finished in 8 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second one. Second Sudoku, medium Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.